Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video we're going to be making a glam decor piece. So let me show you what we're getting into. So let's jump into the project because I already got started with it and I'm very excited about it. So we're going to be using these blue gems. These gems here are in the, to me it's like a royal blue, cobalt blue. Okay, and they come in a pack like this at the Dollar Tree. These are the clear gems. They have those color blue and they also have red. You can get that at the Dollar Tree. We'll be using the bling wrap in the silver. You can also get this at the Dollar Tree. Let's see, we will also be using the rose mesh. I got this on Amazon, but I'm sure you can get this at Totally Dazzle in multiple colors. We're using the scissors. We're also using some gemstones. Everything I'm using to create this craft is down in the description box below. So let me show you what I started doing. Okay, they have the double pack of the wreath forms, the wreath rings in the floral section. They have the big wreath, wire wreath. They have different sizes, but this particular size comes in a double pack. I just started decorating one because I had one left in my stash, and I decided to sit down and play with this last night. I'm absolutely loving how this looks. So I went around, I started going around with the blue gems on the one side, and I started going on the inner side with the blue gems. So I'm going to go ahead and continue that. Then we're gonna decorate that. You know, we'll decorate that after and put a hanger on it, and then we'll see where we go from there. But let's get crafting, guys. So what I did, okay, is I started with the hot glue. And we don't want to put globs of glue, we just want to put a dab on the top wire and the bottom wire and then place the gemstone. When we're done later on, I'll go back and I'll just put some sealant in between here just so the gems don't fall off, okay? That's just for my own sake because I know I'm going to be using this often. So let's see how this comes out, guys. So like I said, we want to put a dab of glue on the top bar and on the bottom. Okay, then we place the gem. And the gem fits really nicely in there. Okay, then we push that down. So let's do that again. Let me move this over here. I don't want to block the camera with this. But, so we want to put a dab of glue. We're going to go along the top first and then along the bottom. So it's just a drop of glue on the top and bottom. Place the gem. And we don't want to burn ourselves, so either wear your silicone fingers. You're only putting a dot of glue, so you shouldn't even touch that. Then you place the gem. So normally I work with the clear gems. I don't normally work with the colored gems, but I'm absolutely loving this color. And yeah, this is a very beautiful color. And so this is like my new go-to now when I'm not using the clear gems. So we want those gems to come close together, guys, and you should have something that looks like this. Okay? And this is the perfect size because the gems fit in there very comfortably. The blue strings. Guys, so here, this is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Absolutely gorgeous. So let me just continue here. Okay, guys, so this is why it's good for us to start and end in the same place, because wherever the flaws are, that's where we're going to go ahead and place the hanger. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And like I said, I'm loving this cobalt blue, royal blue color. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I hope you can see that. So now I'm going to move this over here. And now I thought the hanger I would use, before I put the hanger on, okay, I want to use some of this rose mesh around certain points of this wreath. So let's place a couple of them down. I'm not going to place it down above the top here because this is where our bling wrap is going to go. Our bling wrap is going to be our holder, our hanger. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, we could either add more or take away, but I'm going to stop right there just so we can create the hanger for this. I'm going to glue it with the hot glue, but I am going to go back with a more stronger adhesive. I just want to show you what I'm doing here first. So now, okay, this is where I decided to hang it. Okay, what I'm doing is putting hot glue in the area so that it doesn't move. Now in the center right here, I am going to use this rose mesh just to decorate that center of that mesh. Okay. I'm just going to wipe it down a little bit. Guys, I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? I still have to get most of these glue strings off, but that piece came out absolutely beautiful. Okay, so guys, I thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click like, share, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.